The create points from spot elevations is on the data prep tab, and it's this command here under elevate called spot. And what it does is lets you pick a text object and choose where the spot should be. So should it be the insertion point, the decimal point, the plus sign, or maybe there's an X in that text that is the actual point. In this case, we'll say it's going to be the decimal point, and we won't need to set a base elevation, but we can put a layer for the points, point starting number. So maybe we start at 1,000, and these are going to be EL points, and then you can select your elevations. So I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to do by layer. We'll select all these points, spot elevations here. Click apply. It's the first time I've added the points. I'm going to get this false northing. I'll click OK. And now you can see that I have points, and the location of that point is at the decimal point of the text. So you can see here that it lists all the points, and now I can use those points to create my surface or use them for my data prep process.